In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur screenshots in Hubstaff. This simple process will ensure your screenshots are protected and sensitive information remains confidential. To begin, first, you need to log into your Hubstaff account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see all your projects and activities lined up. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Activity. Go ahead and click on Activity. This section encompasses various details about the team's work, including screenshots, which is our primary focus today. After clicking on Activity, you will be navigated to a page that provides an overview of all the captured screenshots. These screenshots are automatically taken at random intervals to help monitor productivity. The next step is to click on Screenshots, which should be visible on the top menu or within the page. This specific section displays all screen captures taken during active sessions by your team members. Now, to proceed further, we need to access the settings where we can manage how screenshots are handled and displayed. On this page, you should notice a Settings option, typically located on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Settings will bring up a menu where you can modify various preferences tied to your organization's screenshots. Once in the Settings page, look for an option that reads Screenshot Blur. This is the feature we're going to enable to ensure your screenshots have the desired level of privacy. Click on Screenshot Blur, and this will bring up the settings associated with blurring screenshots. The last and final step is to toggle the blurring feature on. You'll see a simple switch that allows you to enable or disable screenshot blurring. By toggling this on, you enable the system to automatically blur all screenshots. This adds a layer of protection, making sure any sensitive information or private data is obscured, preserving privacy while still allowing you to monitor activities effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully enabled the screenshot blur feature in Hubstaff. Remember, maintaining privacy while monitoring productivity is crucial in today's data-driven landscape. Blurring screenshots can be a simple yet effective measure to ensure confidentiality without sacrificing productivity oversight. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.